Learn to beat the casino.
Hello everybody, welcome to Gamble with Jimmy. Today is going to be a free tutorial. I do want to announce to you guys that I did release a new Baccarat strategy. Now this strategy that I released today is not included in the Baccarat Total package. The Baccarat Total package comes with 3 training videos and 3 strategies. This is just a separate strategy that I released today. It is private. You can only get it on the website, and it's called the Baccarat Hard 6. So you guys can take a look at that on the website. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial. We're going to go ahead and start with player. Okay, we're going to win. I basically took the profit that we won, the 25, and I added it on that bet. So we're up $75 now. Okay, we'll take a look at the board. So far, it's an all-player board. All right, now what we're going to do, we're just going to completely do something that if I see 2 players in a row win like that, I'll just go with banker, and I'll keep going with banker until it wins, unless I lose a few in a row. Okay, so that's a tie. Okay, that's 1 in a row. So I'll go 200 now. Okay, I'll go one more time for 400. Oh, look at that. We can't even beat a 1. All right, so that hurt us because we got this really, really long run with player. So we're going to take this one off. Okay, and there's the banker win that we're looking for. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do banker now. I'm going to do 300. Okay, we get the win. Okay, we're still down. Okay, I'm going to take this one off. Okay, banker wins again. Okay, went back to player. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to play right now. I'm going to play the winner. So I'm going to go 100 on player. Okay, banker wins. So we're going to play the winner. And I'm going to go 200. Okay, player wins. I'm going to go 300 on the winner. There we go. Okay, player won. But I'm only going to play the first winner. Actually, I'll play the winner again. I'll just go a quarter. Not going to hurt me if I lose a quarter. Okay, we lose a quarter. All right, banker won. Let's go 50. Player won. Let's go 100. Okay, banker won. Let's go 200. Okay, we get the win. All right, let's see where we're at. We're still down, guys. We're still down. All right, let's go a quarter on banker. Okay, we're going to win. Okay, we're going to lose. Let's go 50 on player. We're going to win. All right, we're gaining our money back. All right. I'm going to go 100 on player. Okay, that's a tie. Okay, we're going to lose. I'm going to go 200 on banker. Okay, we're going to win. I'm going to go 100 on banker. Okay, we're going to tie. Okay, we're going to lose. 200 on player. Another tie. Okay, we're going to win. All right, so we're only within like $80, $90 here. Okay, we're going to go with player for a quarter. Okay, we're going to lose. Let's go 50 here. Okay, we're going to win. Let's stay with the winner. Okay, we're going to win. Stay with the winner. We're going to win. Stay with the winner. Okay, we're going to lose 50 on the winner. And we're going to win. All right, guys, we got our money back. Okay, seems like we should be way up money, but we got down in a ditch. We were down in the ditch, guys. Okay, so we're going to continue to do what we're doing. We're going to start it off at the $100 level. Okay, we're going to win. I'm going to bring it down to a quarter. Okay, we're going to lose 50 on the winner. Going to lose 100 on the winner. Going to lose 200 on the winner. We're going to win quarter on the winner. We're going to win quarter on the winner. We're going to lose 50 on the winner. Okay, we're going to win. And we're going to win. All right, we're up basically 200. Okay, we'll go with the winner. Tie. Okay, we're going to lose. So let's go with the winner for 125. Going to lose. The winner for 200. Going to lose. The winner for 300. We're going to win. Okay, let's go 100 on the winner. We're going to win. Okay, we're up 200 again. All right, so let's take a look at the board. And I feel pretty confident to stay what we're doing, okay? So let's go a quarter here. Okay, another quarter. Okay, go 50 here. We're going to win. We're going to win. Okay, we're going to lose. Let's go 50. We're going to lose. Let's go 100 and a quarter. And we're going to get the win. Okay, we're up 312. Okay, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to start with $50 now instead of a quarter. Okay, we're going to lose, so we got to go 100 here. Okay, we're going to lose again. Let's go 300. And we're going to win. Okay, we're up 447. Let's go 50. Okay, we're up 500. Another 50. Okay, we're going to lose. Let's go to 100. Going to win. Okay, we're up 545. 50. We lose 100. We win. Okay, bring it down to a quarter now. Okay, we're going to win. We lose. Let's bring it down to 50 and do the winner. And we win. Okay, we're at 638. Easy board. This is a super easy board. Okay, so let's go 50. Okay, that's going to lose. Go 100. That's going to lose. 200. That's going to lose. 400. We're going to win. Okay, let's go 100. We lose. 200. We win. All right, we're up 768. Let's bring it down to a quarter. Okay, we lose. Let's play the winner for 50. We win. Quarter for the winner. We win. We win. We win. We win again. And that will be the end of the shoe. Okay, so we're up $886. Look at that. We're going to stick around for this one. Okay, let's stick with it until it loses. Okay, I just lost. Yeah, so we got a new shoe. So we'll go ahead and take the profit of $861. I appreciate you guys watching and supporting the channel. If you guys want to order the Baccarat training, it only takes about 20-25 minutes to process your order. So I'll go ahead and process that for you guys. Thank you guys for all the channel support, and you guys have a wonderful day. If you can, before you go, hit that like button for me. It helps the channel out with the algorithm. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one, and you guys have a great, tomorrow will be Monday, so enjoy your day tomorrow, and have a wonderful Sunday evening. Thanks for watching.